In ancient Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue, commanding all to worship it. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, devoted to God, refused. Furious, the king ordered them cast into a blazing furnace, heated 7 times hotter than usual. Yet, as flames roared, the 3 stood unharmed, and a 4th figure appeared beside them. Amazed, Nebuchadnezzar called them out, untouched by fire. Their faith and courage inspired the king to praise their God, showing that trust in God can overcome even the hottest trials. Subscribe for more Bible stories.